at all if you don't have it.
Oh, no, we're not going back to this.
But if it's going to make you both unhappy...
Please, Peggy, don't mention giving us your money again.
Why not?
Because selling the house should bring all our problems to an end. So that's why we're doing it.
I can stay as long as you like.
I've lost them, haven't I?
No, you haven't lost them, Elizabeth.
Yes, I have. First Lily. Now Freddie.
I'm sure Lily will come round. And you'll be able to visit Freddie.
I don't even know where they take me.
I'm sure they'll tell you soon.
Why did the sentence have to be so harsh? I don't know. It took such a risk telling them about this. I'm sure they'll...